Tadasana. Tad means palm tree. While doing this asana, your body posture becomes tall and strong, like the palm tree. To do this asana, first stand straight with both your feet at a distance of 2 inches from one another. Now, lift your hands till your shoulders. Keep your palms facing each other, and then interlock your fingers together. Now, slowly bend your wrists outwards. Now, taking a deep breath in, slowly lift your arms up above your head while keeping them in line with the shoulders. Keep your body steady in this position. Now, slowly raise your heels up from the ground and stand on your toes. Without losing your balance or moving your feet, stay in this position for about 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in and out normally. Stay still in this posture. It might be a little hard to maintain your balance in the beginning. To help achieve this, you can try focusing at a single point in front of your eyes. Doing this asana regularly will help you improve your balance. This asana helps in getting rid of congestion in your spinal nerves. It helps to improve the posture of the body and also strengthens your thighs, knees, and heels. You should refrain from doing this asana if you are suffering from any heart disease, vertigo, or varicose veins. After staying in this position for 10 to 15 seconds, slowly let your breath out and lower your heels back to the ground. Slowly release the interlock of the fingers, bring the arms down, and come back to the standing position. Practicing this asana regularly brings stability to your body and mind.